Look, put the camera. Good day, folks. Today we have something new for you. It's new, but it's old. And one of these reasons, such as dust, dirt, microbes, insects, and bacteria. So here we are. Hang on. This is this model. The model is the 138OW from Woolworths, or what we call Big W.
I guess reverse. Reverse.
It's got a 2-year warranty, and you can order them online, or you can go to a Big W store.
Black Decker brand.
Black & Decker. This is in Australia, mind you. In Australia, you go to a Black & Decker store, you go to a Big W store, and you can get this model, or they've got other models as well.
Reverse.
So there you go.
Okay.
So we got other models as well.
Reverse, darling.
And what? There we go. And here we have this is the sort of thing that it's capable of doing. It's got a wide brush. It's got an easy means to clean. A non-bag vacuum cleaner. Shows you how to do things, etc., etc. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open it up. And we unbox it for you guys. So here we go. Do a surgical performance on this.
Unboxing.
Unboxing it. So if I was in France,
Who got python inside?
we have
Daddy got python inside.
no python inside.
Python.
Not a python. So here we go. And this is it.
Oh, big.
Oh yes, oh, it's attacking me. Ah, it's eating me. Oh.
Darling.
So here we have it. First of all, you've got the pipe work. So there we go. And here we have a brush.
Brush.
Of course, we have plenty of plastic.
Show it.
Make sure
Put there.
you get rid of all the plastic, especially if you've got children, or if you have a husband or wife you're not too keen on. There's the manual. Hi, manual. And lots of paper, of course, and all the rest of it. And here we have an extension.
Weapon for the husband.
Yeah, for the husband. And here's another weapon for the wife. And there's a blowpipe. No, actually, it's
What's that?
what do you think it is?
Aboriginal thing.
It's an Aborigine vacuum cleaner, is it? No. Hang on, and here is the main vac. And pull it out of the box. Oh my goodness.
What's the
Accessories. There's the accessories. Here it is. Put all this plastic back in there. Hang on, whoa. Put it all back in. Make sure it doesn't contaminate anything or anyone. And there we have it. Right, so we get rid of that. And it doesn't look like we've got much to put together, really.
Not really big, is it? Put it down.
No, it's big enough.
Okay.
Now,
I don't want it too big anyway.
the lead here is in here.
I can't see this so
The lead is in here. You're not supposed to be looking at that. And it extends out, of course, see?
Yeah.
So you can pull the lead out,
Yeah. Okay.
and that's how it goes.
It's like a robot.
Like a robot. A robot. So there we go. So this is the lead. Oh, it's got quite a long lead on it.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, there's the warning.
Yeah.
Don't crack it out any more than that.
What's the warning? Yellow.
Now what we do is we press this, I think, and the lead goes back in.
Yeah.
There we go. The lead goes back in.
So we can vacuum the
that's
carpet.
And we can vacuum the floor.
The floor, so
we'll
dirty
pull it out
now.
again. Always make sure with your vacuum cleaners, because I know a lot of ladies don't do it. But the main thing is you should always pull your lead out to its maximum. Because being an electrician,
Enough, it's yellow there.
being an electrician, I can tell you that the danger is the lead can heat up.
Okay.
Yep. So the lead can heat up.
Okay.
And here we are. This is how it goes on here. There's a connection. That's it. And it's on. Press these buttons and it comes off again.
Yeah.
And that's the normal vacuum extension. And here we have this. Where's the other one, baby?
Yeah, over there.
There's two. Where's it gone? Oh, it's gone over here. Right. It's two. So that's it. That's the extension, which you can use for your ceilings, cleaning out the cobwebs, cockroaches, and whatever. And we've got a various supply of a brush. What's happening here?
She's reversing. Oh, darling.
Ah, I see. That's how it goes. Look. See that? So you can just have it as a suction.
Okay.
Or a brush. And that goes on the end here. Look, 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 look.
I can't see the one. Put away.
Look. There's a brush. It goes there.
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
you can have this, which would be for the furniture.
Okay.
For the furniture, that little one. Or this big one, which would be for your carpet. And it's got this, look. It's got that. That is for
Put it
kitchen
down.
floors.
Put it down.
That's for the kitchen floors.
Oh, darling.
And this one is for your carpet.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. And that's the unboxing. And that's it.
I need to.
There you go. And that's what it will do. So I don't think we need to turn it on because we know that it definitely works. And
No,
so
I'm
forth.
gonna use it now.
Are you? And then this is what? You've got.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, now you've got this. This is just a connection.
Yeah,
But
I can
look,
see
look,
it.
This to vary
can
the
see it.
strength.
I can see.
This varies the strength. Stop laughing. This varies the strength of the suction on the vacuum cleaner. This little lever. See? So there we go. And
Yeah,
that
okay.
is it for today.
Yes.
Now I just commit suicide. So folks, that's it.
That's it, guys, for our unboxing.
Big W.
Yeah, and our Black and
how much was
Decker.
69. At the moment, it's $69 at Big W.
Yeah,
Australian dollars.
only $69,
Yeah,
guys.
and they have a few left.
Kung nandito kayo sa Australia,
And if you live in another part of Australia, just contact Big W.
Big W.
And they can deliver it. They will charge you a bit. to
$69,
deliver it,
guys, is very cheap.
but it is very cheap when you
Compared to the
consider
other vacuum, is 100 plus.
what you think. What you think it is. It's good enough. For what
Yeah.
you-
Bye now, guys.
Cheerio, folks.
Bye.
Bye now.
There you go. Very good, darling. Very good.
Huh?